What's up everyone, and welcome to another Lutheria price prediction video. In these videos I break down where I think the price might be moving next for a variety of different cryptocurrency assets using technical analysis. These assets that I choose to do on these videos are suggested to me either in the comments section down below in these videos or in the Lutheria Telegram channel, which you can find a link to join in the description below as well. So if there's an asset you'd like to see me break down in one of these videos, post a comment down below with the ticker for that asset or the pair, and you can also do that in the Telegram channel by joining the link in the description below. But in this video we're going to be breaking down Bitcoin, so let's start off on the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, we can see we have this support zone here that was previously resistance. We tested here, we had a rejection, we pushed through it and got two candle closes above. We've retested it now, and now we're bouncing off of it. I think this zone is going to hold for us, and we're going to see some all-time highs here soon thereafter. You know, we had our initial run into this high. We had a little drawdown here from people pricing in, you know, the fact that we had already risen a significant percentage from that point, but now we're going up from there. A couple things to note here. If we look at the daily time frame, we can see a couple things. One, we can see the declining bear volume here over the past several days as people have been trying to sell Bitcoin off here. We can also see a hidden bullish divergence here with a higher low in price but a lower low in the RSI, which is bullish. So that's what we want to see if we're a bull. And where I think the price might be moving next is up to about 71.1, and that's up here at this R1 daily pivot, which is up here. And that's really the only main resistance level here in the daily time frame, because there really isn't any other horizontal price action to go off of here. So our main support zone is going to be this gray zone that we just bounced off of. Actually, this is the 2-day level back here from April 3rd, which was resistance here 3 times. I talked about that in past videos. Resistance here again. We closed above it, and then we got this to turn into support. We bounced off it here, and now we bounced off of it here. Again, it's looking like we just got a doji candle on the 2-day time frame on this drawdown, signifying to us that we're likely to see some upside, and this potential drawdown in the short term is over. The other thing to keep in mind is with this consolidation that we're seeing here, where the price action is tightening up, once this ends up breaking out with a higher high, I would expect to see significant expansion, like I said, up to at least that $71,000 level. And then we'll see where we can go thereafter. If we look at the 12-hour time frame, well, first off, just to give you guys the prices, so the support level on that 2-day time frame is going from 59,791 down to about 56,388. So that's the buy zone if we go back into that again. And if we're looking into the lower time frames, like the 12-hour, for instance, we can't really see much here. We have a lot of chop. You can see that based on the price action here. So there's not a lot to go off of in terms of support and resistance levels. So let's go down another time frame, see if we can get a bit more granular here. So it looks like, yeah, there's not a lot of support and resistance to go off of here. Yeah, there's not much. Yeah, not much there. So what I would say is, you know, the main levels to watch. If we pull up the pivots indicator here, we can see that, you know, by the end of this week, we're going to print new pivots. So these aren't going to be here anymore. But right now, the closest resistance would be 64K. We'll have to see when the weekly candle closes where these pivots end up. What I really want to see as a bull on the weekly time frame close here is I want to see us close with some increasing bull volume here, and I want to see a shorter upper wick of profit taking. So that's all I got for this one, guys. If you like this video, please give it a like down below and subscribe for future educational content around cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. And if you haven't already, check out our Telegram channel, which you can find a link to join in the description below. We do weekly meetups, which we are going to be doing today, where we discuss a variety of different topics in the crypto economy, such as DeFi applications, different yield opportunities, how to mitigate your risk, and a variety of other things as well. So check that out, and until next time, onward and upward.